Hi everyone, and welcome to our latest video. We're going to answer another question that we get asked quite a lot. So the question today is, what's the best time to take my driving test? So we're going to answer this on days of the week, but also sort of times of the day mainly. So it's quite short really. I've not found any difference really between taking a driving test at 8 in the morning or taking a driving test at sort of 2:30 in the afternoon, whether it be a Monday through Friday or even the weekend. The reason is because you still be asked to do the same maneuvers on the same roads at the same sort of, with the same minimum standard requirements. So what I'd suggest is that ultimately as a learner, you don't really worry too much about when you're taking your driving test. The standard will be the same. Obviously there is rumours out there that say, oh, the driving examiners have only got to, they've got to pass so many people, they can only pass so many people, or they've got to fail so many people, or so take it on a Monday because they've got a fresh sort of sheet of passes they can have, and once they've run out of those on Thursday, Friday, you're more likely to fail because of that. Or take it at 8 in the morning because there's more traffic around and you'll be stuck in traffic and all that sort of things. Or at school home times, again, you'll be stuck in traffic. I'm really sorry to say, with all those things, they're just not true. I've honestly not experienced any difference between a driving test taken at, say, Monday at 8 AM or Friday at 2:30 in the afternoon. They're marked the same. In terms of more traffic on the roads and stuff, the examiners, their job is to ensure that you are tested on a variety of different roads. Test routes now aren't published, and they're not set. So provided the examiner does test you on a variety of different roads, they can take you on a little detour to avoid traffic jams and traffic queues around known hot spots in the area, and they will do that to give you a chance to give you the opportunity to pass your driving test. You won't be sat in traffic forever. And then they go, oh, that's it, well done, because they won't have tested your driving. They'll test your ability to sit in traffic, which isn't what they're after. In terms of got to pass so many people, I suppose maybe there's a tolerance, so maybe they have to be within a certain percentage of each other, or all the instructors. I suppose that the examiner, I suppose that makes sense, because you couldn't have one examiner that was passing 80% of people at one test centre, and the same, you couldn't have an examiner that is only passing 20% of people that go to test. Having said that, in my experience, people that don't pass their driving test generally do something that they don't normally do, so it's out of character, and therefore the examiner doesn't really have to work very hard to not pass that person, because they do something that's just completely out of character that causes a problem for other people. So in a nutshell, I don't think it matters when you take it. I think the thing that does matter though is that you are very ready for it, because it is a very stressful process. So make sure you're ready and take it when you're ready. And if that's at 8 o'clock in the morning on a Monday, or 2:30 on a Friday, I firmly believe that you get the same opportunity to pass as everybody else. The examiner is not in the business of just failing you for failing you's sake. There is definitely at the minute, there is enough of a waiting list that they don't have to worry about making you take 2 or 3 tests. They just do the next test. Okay, so in a nutshell, I don't think it matters when you take your driving test. So book it when you're ready. Okay, so thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos that are going to help you out. As ever, if you feel you want to ask us a question we haven't answered yet, please feel free to drop us an email. I'll put the email on the screen and just below. Drop us an email with your question, and we will aim to answer that as soon as we can. Okay, take care now. Have a great day. Bye bye.